Hey guys, welcome to the channel Roading Fox and the Wild Heart of South India. So you are about to join me on a serene drive through the breathtaking Mudumalai Tiger Reserve, where every turn hides a new surprise and nature unfolds in its purest form. As we pass through the gates, the air completely changes. Cooler, fresher, and filled with scent of the forest. As soon as you enter inside and then continue with your driving, it feels as if you are driving in a green tunnel that invites you deeper into the wilderness. Be it the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve or the Bandipura Tiger Reserve, the drive through, right? That really provides peace in your mind whenever you are driving through these roads. So just I thought of I'll share this video so that you can also take a, a virtual feel of the driving on this particular road. Mudumalai is home to majestic tigers, elusive leopards, wild elephants, and over 260 species of birds. While sightings are rare from the road, the feeling of being in the territory itself is very humbling. Every rustle in the bushes makes you wonder, is something watching you right now? Just remember, this is the home of these tigers, wild elephants, and all the 260 species of birds. So just drive slow, keep your eyes open, and never honk or disturb the wildlife. Here we are the guest, and the forest has its own rules, by the way. As we leave Mudumalai behind, we carry a little piece of the jungle with us, a reminder that such places are treasures to be preserved. Until the next drive, keep exploring, keep protecting, and keep the wildlife alive. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Take care. And of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it. I keep posting videos on mostly all the roads throughout the India. So just if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.